Well, guys, I built something I've never built before. Actually, kind of built, never built, haven't built, never built, whatever you guys want to say. It's a 2000, and I believe this one was 2004, 2003, Toyota Camry. This might not be interesting to all you guys that have been running these, but I have never ran one of these. Here in Canada, our export rules are crazy. Usually every time I get one of these cars, it goes straight to Africa. But unfortunately, due to how rusty it is, and the kilometers weren't high, but my export guy did not want this car. So we built it for a demolition derby. This thing here is going to go to a stock show. I even have extra struts that I've saved. We can't have doubles. We cannot swap bumpers, we cannot move radiators, we can't even put a Honda Civic radiator into this. This is a stock show. I've done everything that needs to be done except I haven't cut a hole out for the hood, and I haven't taken the what do you call it? Sunroof out and the headliner. That is it. That is all I haven't done to this thing. So what have we done? We got rid of the rear brakes. We just put smaller donuts on. We capped off the rear lines. We took out all the interior out of this. Yep. We modified the gear selector so that it won't get locked in park, which is nice. We put the gas tank on the passenger side floor, and I don't like the auto lock in this thing. And why, you guys may ask, why did I put the gas tank on the passenger side floor? The show that I'm going to last year, I took an Avalon, and because it's so stock, I don't like using the front, and the back end was legitimately like right there. So I put the gas tank a little farther forward than what I should, just because I kind of know what's going to happen. I'm going to drive like an idiot and fold the back end in. But up here, we're running the motor that I hate the most in this entire world, which is a 3-liter Toyota. Some of you guys have really good luck with these. I'm not that guy. That is not me. I am not that guy. We're going to be trying a couple things to try to make this thing last just a little bit longer. What we're going to do is we're going to put dummy temp sensors into it. I don't know what else I can do, to be honest. I've never had good luck with these V6s. Last year, I took a V6 3-liter Toyota Avalon, and it was like a 95 or 98, and it actually overheated before I even lost the radiator. So I don't know what I am doing wrong to these motors, and it's getting very frustrating. We're not going to notch the back. I think we're allowed, but honestly, I'm not going to do it. Because I haven't ran one of these, I kind of want to see what it does. And this one here is kind of solid in the back. It's just the rockers are out of it. So I'd really like to see how these things do. And, you know, this is a good one to learn on, even though with this right here, it might do something unpredictable. But what I'm really hoping for is these back windows add a lot of strength. And that's what I'm kind of hoping that this thing does, is adds a lot of strength. But, yeah. This will be our first time running a new body, and I'm kind of excited about it. We haven't done anything too extravagant. You guys have been running probably new bodies for a while. Unfortunately, I haven't. So, no standalone harness, just all the wiring moved, everything regrounded. All the wiring from the passenger side is up here. All the wiring from the driver's side, from the trunk, is all the way up to there. You guys don't really need standalone harnesses. Yes, they make the build a little bit easier, but you don't need them, guys. We're still going to take out an airbag and the headliner, and then we are going to be slamming some holes through this and putting some seat belts. So stay tuned, everybody, and we'll get this thing built. So you guys have seen me build stock cars before, and you guys know that I like doing it as easy and as fast as possible. So to put these holes, I don't like using 9-wire in stock cars. I like using seat belts. But this would work both ways. I find the easiest way to put holes is, one, drill, but that's a little hard on step bits and a little hard on drills. But if you're not 100% picky on where the holes go, yep, that's a hole, that's a hole, without hitting the hoist. Yep, that's a hole. Let's get some seatbelt put into this car. Well guys, we just did some final adjustments. You guys seen me use the pickaxe. We put a whole bunch of holes in it. We put the front window bar, fire extinguisher. Guys, TikTok right now is just full of people's vehicles and trucks burning to the ground. Put fire extinguishers in your derby cars. I know in the US it's not really required, but goddamn, it's nice to have them. I keep one in my truck. I have one on my trailer, and I put one in my car just because I don't want shit to burn. I like all my garbage, guys. I like my garbage. Don't burn my garbage. That's my garbage. Hooked up a jump for the starter. So that's nice. Even though we are running the key still, we do have a jump for the starter. We got all of our seatbelts done on the trunk. We drilled holes through the hood instead of using the pickaxe because I had a buddy before that used a pickaxe and put the axe through his motor. So we don't do that no more. How you doing, Dylan? But we got a spare for the front. These are non-doubled, non-tubed tires, so that's what the rules call for. And we just got to put water in it, and we're good to go now. But we are missing something else. We are missing my number on here, but we'll do that here in a second. We have a working seatbelt. We got all my derby gear in it. We got our battery box and gas tank fire airbag covers. We have the airbag out, sunroof out. We got the hole cut in the trunk. All the seat belting done to the trunk. Now when I tell you guys that this is stock, this is stock, guys. Oh, I forgot one seat belt right there. I'll put a seat belt into that hole. There we go. But this thing is as stock can be, and that's the great thing about Letterkenny. I mean Listool. So let's get our number on it and we'll call this thing a day. You guys know only the best color job for me. I want to look the best car out there, so I got to have the best paint job. Guys down at Mini Meltdown saying my number's binary or something. But nope. Story behind my derby number. Oh, top tipping's gonna work. Is this one gonna work? Nope, different style can. Do you guys know the story on my derby number? I'll tell you in a minute when I get a good can of paint. Not as bright as I want it to be, but... So the story on my derby number is I used to be number 17. But there's a guy named Dave Frost, and he ran all over Ontario doing thrill show events. Because he ran figure 8 with 17, I couldn't do mini smash with 17. So every event that he wasn't at, I was able to run 17, but every event he was at, I had to put another 1 at the end of it. So it could have been 117, but I think somebody else had that number. So I just chose to be 171. There used to be a guy out about a 5-hour drive away from me that I think ran 171. But he doesn't do this anymore. So, there we go. Look at that crappy paint job, guys. How did you guys get your derby numbers? Leave a comment down below, and it'll be interesting to see how you guys got a lot of your numbers. Everybody's story's different, you know. Some people's just a lucky number, or a hockey jersey, or soccer, baseball jersey, football jersey. And some people have 800-835, I believe. You guys know what that number is? It brings me back to elementary days. But I think this will be the last video until next week. Maybe Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday next week, because I don't have anything else filmed. Been kind of taking it easy. I've been going camping a lot. I've been building a surprise that I don't want to put up any videos of yet, but been building something different. Not a derby car, something for me, and some adventures that I want to go on. But it'll be useful in the derby world. But we just got to paint the number on the other side. Thanks for watching, guys. This will be my first new body Camry. Kind of a little nervous. I think it'll be okay. The thing I'm most nervous about is that 3-liter V6 underneath the hood. Still have to go get some temp sensors out of other cars, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. And yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you back here later on Zach's Workshop.